Yeah, welcome to RAINS AGRO FARM. As you can see, this is the cucumber updates. They are just 5 weeks old. You can see how greenish they are. So they are about ready for harvest. You can see we have them like that. And this time we have minimum of two fruits per stand. 2 fruits per stand. You can see we have minimum of 2 fruits per stand. For this stand now, you see we have two. This stand we have three. You see coming in, see another 2 here, and this is the 2 stand. So in this 2 stand we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's say we have 5. You can see stand here. So that's just the way they are. We have some that are already matured. You can see the power of Natsoil. The power of Natsoil. You can see this one. You can see the 2. They are ready for harvest. This 2 is ready for harvest. There's another 2 here ready for harvest. Here we have 1 ready for harvest. Here we have any other here. You can see we have another 1 ready for harvest here. This is just in what I've showed us is just in 2 plants. So look at another plant here. You see this one is ready for harvest. You can see the numbers of fruits that we have there. So we have some that are quite ready for harvest. So this is from next week. You can see fruits all around. You can see fruits all around. Got the wind. We had wind that's obstructed the whole staking. You can see. So this is the power of Natsoil. It's a part of Natsoil. We had some dead plants. You can see the fruit is awesome. The flowers are awesome. So you can see this. See 2 here, 2 here. You can see. Just look at it. Look at it. You can see. Here we have 3 here, 4 here. So this is awesome. This is awesome. So you can see power of Natsoil. So the fruit are matured. We should be harvesting by next week, Monday or Tuesday. So just 5 weeks. And this is Tokyo. Don't forget, Tokyo is a very rugged hybrid seed. You can also use cucumber. For those who knows how to cultivate cucumber very well, you will get good results using Gerard. So let's see. So thank you. This is the update of the farm. So we keep giving us, just look, we have just about, it's not even up to 1,000 plants that we have here. So we'll give us updates on the numbers of harvest we have so far. So thank you and stay blessed. RAINS Farm.